How to download Adobe Creative Cloud on a Mac. First things first, I do have a special offer, free trial in the video description just below this video. So if you click on my link, you can get a free trial of Adobe Creative Cloud. Check out the platform, see if it's for you at no cost. So that is worth considering. Highly recommend that you do that. If you want to download the desktop version of Adobe Creative Cloud, from this page right here, you will literally just click on download Creative Cloud from here. So once you've clicked my link, you'll be on this page, click that button, download Creative Cloud. You can see that the icon floated up there. There's a little bit of information here on what to actually do from there. But essentially on your Mac, that was the universal symbol when the icon went flying up there to show that the program has been downloaded, and it goes to the default downloads location. Now, I'm on Google Chrome, so it will go to my downloads folder. And as you can see here, you will have the Creative Cloud Installer DMG file, and you literally just open up, follow the instructions, dead easy. You can install it from there. So hopefully you found this video useful on how to download Creative Cloud. I highly encourage you to click my link, get the free trial, try out all of these Adobe apps inside Creative Cloud, see if the platform is for you at no cost, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.